Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jefferson103 here, and today we're doing a Cuphead Let's Play. So, yes, I've done with my cousin, but that was on the IO2, which I can't get to yet. But I finished the first two bosses. I'm gonna show you them just so, yeah, you don't miss out on anything. So, the Botanic Panic. Yeah, I'm sorry that you can't hear the game sounds. I'm gonna move this. Yeah, never mind. Okay. So this dude's pretty easy. I beat these guys first try just because it was easy. I might lose a bit of health on this. I might not beat it first try because it was. I finished it at 1 HP last time. Some people just call them hit points. Dude, onion. I mean, that suits the onion perfectly. I also got the chaser gun. No. 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 Dang it. Yeah, like I said, I might not beat this on first try on camera, but yeah. Made it pretty far. I really feel like they should have made the onion the first one. So once you beat these guys, they're pretty easy. Well, I jumped. Welcome, you onion. You know what? Just for now, super move! Super move. Honestly, I don't know what the super move does. Whee! 1 HP. Dudes, I got C here. I got C on the blue dude. I got C again. C. Why? Try. Cuphead. I'm not gonna do the run gun. I might do that one day. One day, I say. Look, it took me 3 minutes. Technically 2 because I had to do the intro. This guy wasn't the worst. He was actually pretty easy. I beat him on second try. If I beat him on first try, it would be the weirdest. Oh gosh. Yum. Okay, good. Haven't lost 1 health. Why? Why did I say that? Oh God. This is the weirdest video ever. So it's the garden only took, it took one try for the garden. In this video it took 2 tries. The blue dude took 1 try. 2 tries when I did it. In this video he took 1. What is this? Dude, C-, seriously? Why am I winning all of these with 1 HP? I want to do the frogs. Sure. These are the only ones I haven't beat yet, guys. So I also need to beat the plain one, and then I need to beat the flower one, and then basically I'm done. Not too bad. So Cuphead is one of the hardest games out right now. I have a feeling like they're going to release a second one. How does a frog do that? Like, seriously. Okay. Oh. Dude, I'm gonna lose this. Dudes, no. Yeah, I'm gonna get hit by the coin. It's always the coin that kills people. Dudes. Okay, I'm gonna do the flying one right before we have to end this. No more, yeah, I have to do all the airplane stuff. I'll pause the video. Guys, this annoys me all the time. It won't let me play unless the video's on. Right arrow. I'm doing right arrow. Parry. Yeah. Shrink, I know that. Yeah, what's weird is that I turn into it. That's weird. Extremely weird. I don't know why, but it just is weird. Dancing. Yeah. Hildeberg. Good day for a swell and begin. I love this music. I'm sorry that you can't hear the gameplay. Oh yeah, forgot about this. Oh. Dude. Dang it. You lost too soon and I was only half moon. Dude, you don't go into full moon. Ever. Why? Just why? No. So sorry guys, that's gonna have to end this episode here. I hope you've all enjoyed and I'll see you all next time. Bye.